Get your Freakshake on with these delicious, over-the-top milkshakes that sell for more than it requires to make them. First, you need the right machinery. May we suggest Taylor Upstate's wide array of milkshake machines? Follow these steps. You'll need a 20-ounce or 16-ounce cup, buttercream frosting, Hershey syrup, an array of Hill & Mark's toppings, garnish. Start by using some buttercream frosting on the outer edge of the cup to make sure your colorful toppings stick. Choose which toppings you want on the outer edge of the cup. Try color coordinating your toppings to match your garnish. If your staff has downtime, have them create the outer decor on the rim beforehand and place them in the freezer. Decorate as many outer cups that you need or anticipate, and when someone orders a Freakshake, you won't fall behind making them. Drizzle some Hershey syrup down the side of the cup to make it look appetizing. Add your milkshake base to the cup. Top it off with some whipped cream, add some sprinkles and toppings. Add your garnish, and voila, you created your first Freakshake. You just got soft served with knowledge, but don't worry, you were meant for this. To learn more about our ice cream products, visit hillandmarks.com or contact your sales rep today.